Hi everyone, and welcome to another edition of Painting with Elise. Today I am working on a painting of the New Zealand robin, which is a native bird. The Maori name for this bird is the Toutouwai. I'm doing this because at the moment we have voting going on for the New Zealand Bird of the Year. And the reason for this event is to bring awareness to our native bird life here in New Zealand and to their habitats and the threats that many of our birds are under, as it's probably like that all around the world. So voting actually closes on the 31st of October, so I'm a bit disorganized. Next year hopefully I'll do this a bit ahead of time. But still, there's still time for you to go in and vote for your favourite bird. And I'm supporting Melissa and Claudia Gunn, who are the leaders of voting for the New Zealand robin, or the Toutouwai. It's just such a gorgeous wee little thing. And I thought we could paint it together and then could do a giveaway. So please like and share, leave a comment, share this with your friends, and you could go in the draw to win this painting when it's done. So thanks for joining in. Go to New Zealand, if you want to go to the website and vote, it's birdoftheyear.org.nz, but I'll have all this information in the comments or the links below. So okay, let's get started. well that's done, and I have to say I'm really pleased with how this has turned out. I love this simple background where I've just done the sweep of the watercolour, because really the focus is all about the bird, and I love the splashes. As you might have noticed from the time lapse, because the bird has all those little white feathers showing through, I thought the best way to render that was to just do the grey background and then drop a bit of pure white, Chinese white pigment on top and just merge that in and blend it a bit to give that soft feather, white feathers poking through. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and again, please like and share, and you can go in the draw to win this beautiful painting. So thanks for joining me. Take care. Bye now.